welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit that notification button down below so every time I post a new video, you'll get notified. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick fall eye makeup look, some quick and easy hairstyles, along with some outfits. Let's get started with the video. So the palette I'm going to be using today is the Subculture by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to go in with the color Dawn first as my base layer. Let's get started. By the way, this palette is really pigmented, so like when you touch it, you kind of want to like brush it off, you know, like smack the excess off. So the colors I'm going for is kind of like a burgundy, like orangish color, because that's like the fall vibes, you know? I'm gonna match the leaves on the ground. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like do it on the bottom slightly so like it all blends in like perfectly. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the new Wave color. Put it like close to like the middle of my eyelid. Kind of want to like blend it in with everything. Now that my eyes look like that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Edge color. It's like more of a yellowish color. And I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eye. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the color Fudge. It's like this darkish brownish. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little ombre effect on the outside. Now that I'm done with that step, I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this step on my other eye. Now that you all got something like that, you're gonna take your beauty blender and kind of like clean it up so it looks more slick. Now I'm gonna go in with my little brush and just kind of like blend everything down. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Electric. It's like this sparkly color. And I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner of my eye where I put the yellow in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do like right by my eyebrow. Okay, so this is the eye makeup look. It's nothing like too crazy, it's just like really simple, which only took me like 5 minutes, depends on like how pigmented you want it. I wasn't really going for like a crazy pigmented color. Just wanted it to like look kind of natural, but at the same time, like you could still see it there, you know? Okay, now that I'm done with the eye makeup look, I'm gonna go ahead and put these beautiful lashes on. Okay, now that I'm done putting on my lashes, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of hair thingamajiggers. They're all pretty easy and they don't take a lot of time. What I'm gonna do is braid my hair and then I'm gonna kind of loosen it up and I'll show you guys. Loosen it up so it looks more bigger. look like that. Yeah, the back should look something like that, or like inwards, doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take some pieces from my head and kind of like push them down. And I'm gonna repeat that step on the other side. Yeah, so this is one of the looks, and you can also put a hat on and it'll look like really pretty, and I'll show you guys that once I put on my outfit. Okay, now for the second like hair idea, I'm gonna curl it. And you don't really want to put like too much effort. It doesn't have to be like perfect curls. You can literally put it in a ponytail and curl it from that. That's what I usually do. Like pick your hair up. So you put it in a ponytail and you just curl it from there, and it's like way easier. Now that I finished curling my hair, I'm gonna take it out of my ponytail. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some hairspray in my hair. Kinda wanna like clump it up so like there's like a cool effect on it. You kind of want to like brush it with your fingers so it looks like pretty messy in a way. There you have it. That's like one of the easy like ways to do your curls. I'm gonna go ahead and change into my other outfit and show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just put my hair in a ponytail. I'm obviously gonna take some front pieces and then the rest just like goes back. So this is pretty much a hair look. And you can like wear a hat with it or like a band, which would look really cute. But right now I don't have one. I'm gonna go ahead and put my next outfit on and show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe, hit that notification button down below so every time I post a new video you'll get notified. Also, if you want a shout out, just comment down below and I'll give you guys a shout out in my shout out section at the end of the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.